there are some NGOs, I would say some, because other NGOs have backed out. There are many other NGEA, which is the Employee Association, has also backed out. And all of them are now allowing the district council to function. There are few very limited hand-picked NGOs who are still trying to create some kind of situation, and they're trying to raise some issues. And I have been reiterating this again and again that the selection of the CEM has been done in a democratic manner, and there has been no interference from my side or the party's leadership. Therefore, it is democratically elected process, and that's the process that should be followed. And it is the will of the MDCs that will go forward, and they are the ones who have to run the district council. So we try to stay away and not interfere in the overall process. We only try to support in the administrative aspect of running the council, and whatever support we can give from the government side, we try to give, not just to GHADC, but to all the district councils.